What is up, guys? My name is Ash and we're back into another video, and this will be a follow-up from the previous one in which we talked about my carnivorous plants. So in the previous video we removed the plants from the dormancy period and we got them ready for the spring. We exposed them to their growing conditions, so water, sunlight and humidity. And we also cleaned the plants, so we removed all the dead growth and the dead leaves and stuff, and we got them in this container in which they stay during the dormancy period and in which they will stay throughout the summer. So this is a quick look at how the plants are now, and we're starting with my Venus flytrap. This specific one stays green all summer, but it does get a little bit of pink on the inside of the traps. But as you can see, it has grown a lot, and even the side plant, which I showed on the previous video, has grown a lot. And there's tons of new growth, and one of these traps even has caught a fly, perfect for their nutrition. We're moving on to my pink Venus flytrap. And as you can see, this plant as well has gotten a lot of pink coloration, so it is growing in its perfect conditions. There's even a flower stall, as you can see, and I did say that this pot has two plants inside and they're both growing exponentially. We're moving on to my Drosera capensis, which is sort of one of my favorites in this small plant collection. And I love how the dew has become pink, and sort of the tentacles in which the dew stays have gotten pink as well. And it has grown a flower, and there's tons of new growth on the plant. I love how the new growth is sort of upward and sort of shooting up. We're moving on to my Sarracenia purpurea, subspecies purpurea, and as you can see, it has grown a lot. I'm not really sure if you know the difference between the previous video, but I will post in the next few minutes I will sort of do a side-to-side comparison. But it has gotten a lot of red coloration and a lot of new traps. Okay, so we're gonna end off the video with a side-to-side comparison of the plants before and after. I would love if you could subscribe, like and comment, and you'll see me in the next one.